Hello folks, I am Georgios Papadopoulos and welcome to this video on examples on vulnerable time for ALOHA MAC protocols. Let us consider a scenario where node T that operates based on pure ALOHA and it transmits a frame size of 125 bytes over a shared channel of 250 kilobits per second to node R. Now, based on this scenario, let's calculate the vulnerable time to make this frame transmission collision-free. As it was presented in one of our previous videos, in pure ALOHA, the vulnerable time is 2 times the frame transmission time. Well, to obtain that vulnerable time, first we need to calculate the frame transmission time for this scenario. The frame transmission time can be obtained from the frame length in bits and the bit rate in bits per second, as it can be seen here. If we apply the values of these parameters, we obtain 4 milliseconds for the frame transmission time. In the second step, we apply the equation of the vulnerable time for pure ALOHA, and we obtain 8 milliseconds of vulnerable time for pure ALOHA. Which means that to have a collision-free frame transmission in pure ALOHA, no node should transmit during the 4 milliseconds before node T starts transmission, and no node should start transmitting during the 4 milliseconds that node T is transmitting. Regarding the slotted ALOHA scenario, where the vulnerable time is equal to frame transmission time, well, in this case, the vulnerable time is equal to 4 milliseconds, which is half of the pure ALOHA. And that's all, folks, on examples on vulnerable time for ALOHA MAC protocols.